patients. So menopause symptoms includes hot flushes, that is warmth spreading from trunk to face, and the one is night sweats. These hot flushes coincide with the surge in luteinizing hormone secretion, but are not directly caused by luteinizing hormone, but the increased level of this luteinizing hormone may be responsible for the hot flushes, heat of the body. These symptoms can last for many years and mainly impact on the woman's quality of life. Then what are the health implications? What happens for these changes? What makes the woman body? What changes are occur? In this menopause condition, the menopause is associated with an increased risk of various health conditions, including osteoporosis, this decreased bone density, and ischemic heart disease, and also renal or the kidney diseases. So the decline in estrogen level, the estrogen levels are very decreased level, has a significant impact on the bone density and cardiovascular health. For all these health impact are resulted from the decreased level of the estrogen level.